What's up, everybody? This is I paved it right here today. Not bad. Yeah. It's not too bad. It's bottom lift. Just leaving work now. It's up, what time? It's 4 o'clock. 7 to 4, not bad. I've been on night shift, what feels like, you know, it's been about a year straight of just night shift. So we've had some day shifts, but we're on day shift for like a week and then we're back to nights. And I'm grateful because the night shifts, you don't have all this traffic. I'm able to go home, shoom, straight home, you know. It is just such a beautiful day today though. 85 degrees, says 86, so I'll just call it 85. You know, good day of work. Just heading back home. Was paving right there underneath, or right on the bottom side of the airport. Just paving some back roads today. Nothing like this. We usually pave roads like this, you know, highways and whatnot. Those pops are just popping today. Just like that thing is popping. It never pops that much. You see, you guys clearly can't see it, but this traffic is horrible right now. This is why I like working night shifts. K9 Tampa Police. The old boy over there, he's on a, so what is it, 3 to 6, 2003 to 2007 CBR 1000. Yeah. Oh, she's clippity clapped. No fairing, it's just a tail fairing. Front stay. This bike is wide. I'll make it through. A little bit of swimming. A little bit of swimming ain't hurt nobody. It's crazy that California, you can lane split, but you can't have an exhaust. Make that make sense. There's got to be some sort of accident. The traffic's never this freaking bad. This is ridiculous. have one of them CBR 1000. I had an 08, my favorite year. It's the newer gen from the older gen, obviously, but I just think they're more horsepower. The jugs are more separable. Like if you blow up a top end on that one, you got to do the whole block. Like let's say like pistons and whatnot, you got to do the whole block on that. But like an 08, the block, the cylinders actually come off, and you can just replace the cylinders, the piston. You know, it's a lot more rebuildable. Straight to jail. Straight to jail. Catch back up to my boy. Three troopers chilling, ready to pounce. I don't think that's the same cop. It might be. I'm behind you now, fat boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do, fat boy? How do we solve drugs? You really don't. I don't think you guys can say. You guys see all that debris? That's unfortunate. They're cleaning it up, but dang. This is a police country, the cop town right here, because this road right here, this road never used to be here. They made this road, and it goes straight from Newport Richie straight to the jail. But yeah, guys, that was just a little pointless nonsense videos. You know, just a little vlog of me coming home from work, and that's pretty much it. See you guys on the next one.